want an Easter egger. That's what I really want. They haven't reached maturity yet. These are poets. Hey girl, yeah, these poets. They got some hard rocks in here. They got some smaller ones. And they got these special packages. They got some DE. Okay, they got that food grade too. It's a big ass bag. I wonder how much it is. Oh look, and they got it in a bottle where you don't have to put it on your hands. You just pour it out. That's dope. That's dope. That's what's up. Look, and they show you right there. Leaves, non-toxic. Had this place. Chicken and waffles. They got it here. Couch. The ice cream shop. It's your girl Leah, aka That Nature Girl. I want to give a special shout out to you for locking in and rocking with your girl. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you can receive notifications every time I post. And if you want to support a little further, you can buy your girl a coffee or smoothie or something.
$5. You gonna cause a scene in public for $5?
The link is in the description. Thank you guys for locking in. Look, this is so cool. We have chickens and roosters and everything. That'll be so cool. I need one for myself. You have a smaller hat? A smaller hat. Yeah, like for me. You can get a bed, everything out this bed. Y'all need some jewelry? They got you. How long is it gonna last? And it has gonna turn green and purple. That's up to you. But here I go. I'm melting. Like I'm literally. I got on black and I got on jeans. It's hot as hell. Oh yeah, look at the black door.